वेलकम स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ अकरम खान। मैं आपको अपने YouTube चैनल KOA करीना ऑनलाइन एकेडमी पर खुश आमदीद कहता हूँ। आज हम फेडरल बोर्ड 9th क्लास फिज़िक्स यूनिट नंबर 5 ग्रेविटेशन के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। पहला प्रॉब्लम है, फाइंड द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन टू स्फीयर्स ईच ऑफ मास 1000 kg. The distance between the centers of the spheres is 0.5 meter. हमें कहा गया है कि दो स्फीयर्स ऑफ masses 1000 each are placed at distance 0.5 meter apart from each other. Let M1 be this mass and it be second mass M2. Each 1000 kg. And the distance between centers of these spheres is d is equal to 0.5 meter. Given हमें जो दिया गया है M1 is equal to M2 is equal to 1000 kg. And distance between these masses is d is equal to 0.5 meter. We have to find, हमने मालूम करना है कि इन दोनों के दरमियान फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन कितनी है। हमें मालूम है कि फार्मूला फॉर फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन इज F is equal to G कैपिटल G M1 M2 divided by d square, where G is the gravitational constant. हमें G की वैल्यू मालूम है, G इज इक्वल टू 6.673 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 रेज़ टू द पावर -11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर kg स्क्वायर। लेट अस पुट दीज वैल्यूज इन दिस फार्मूला। तो ये बन जाएगा F इज इक्वल टू, क्योंकि हमें G मालूम है, M1 M2 दिया गया है और D भी दिया गया है। हमने F मालूम करना है जो कि फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन बिटवीन दीज टू मासेस है। F इज इक्वल टू, लेट अस पुट द वैल्यूज 6.673 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 10 रेज़ टू द पावर -11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई M1 विच इज इक्वल टू 1000, M2 which is also equal to 1000 divided by 0.5 whole square. Let us first simplify this formula. 1000 multiplied by 1000, आप जानते हैं ये हो गया 10 raised to power 6, 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 और 3 6 0 is it is equal to 10 raised to power 6. So this formula would become 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power -11 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 divided by 0.5 whole square. हम जानते हैं कि जब दो क्वांटिटीज़ के बेस एक जैसे हों तो उनकी पावर्स आपस में ऐड हो जाती हैं। तो हम जैसे इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं, 10 raised to the power -11 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 is equal to 10 raised to the power -11 plus 6, it is equal to 10 raised to the power 5. So our formula would become 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5 divided by 0.5 whole square. अब हम इसको कैलकुलेटर की मदद से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। अब इसको कैलकुलेटर की मदद से इस फार्मूले को सॉल्व करते हैं। 6.673 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 10 रेज़ टू द पावर -5। तो इसके लिए पहले 5 फिर माइनस का साइन लगाया और यहाँ पर एक फंक्शन की है 10 रेज़ टू द पावर x, इसको प्रेस किया तो हमारे पास वैल्यू आ गई 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power -5 divided by 0.5 whole square. 0.5
हम एक्स स्क्वायर की फंक्शन की को प्रेस करते हैं तो ये हमें मिल जाए, वैल्यू आ जाएगी 0.5 होल स्क्वायर की। अब यहाँ हम इक्वल का साइन प्रेस करेंगे तो हमें इसकी फार्मूले की तमाम कैलकुलेशन हासिल हो जाएगी। यह है 0.000266692।
हमारे पास रिजल्ट आया 0.0002669 न्यूटन। When we express this result into scientific notation, then it comes out to be 2.669 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4 Newton. Or when it be rounded to 2 decimal point, then it 2.67 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4 Newton. It is our answer of first question. Dear student, problem number 2 में हमें कहा गया है the gravitational force between two identical lead spheres kept at 1 meter apart is 0.006673 Newton. Find their masses. Let the lead spheres be first lead sphere of mass m1 and it is second lead sphere of mass m2 placed at distance 1 meter apart. It is given that the force of gravitation between these two spheres is F is equal to 0.06673 Newton. It is equal to, when we write it in scientific notation and move this decimal point 3 position to the right, then it would become 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3 Newton. Secondly, we are told that the two lead spheres are identical. It means their masses are the same. So m1 is equal to m2. फर्स्ट करो ये बराबर है मास m के. Let it be equal to mass m. Now the general formula for calculating force of gravitation between two masses of m1 and m2 is F is equal to general formula G is capital representing gravitational constant m1 m2 divided by d square. You know G is equal to 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Here in this case this formula would becomes F is equal to G, as the masses are identical, m1 is equal to m2, so these two would become m square by d square. Now हमें d मालूम है, g की वैल्यू भी दी गई है, f भी है, f भी मालूम है, हमने यहाँ से m स्क्वायर डिराइव करना है। तो फर्स्ट इस फार्मूले को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं। m स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू f d square divided by g. Let us put value in it. We get f is equal to, we know, 6.673 10 raised to the power minus 3, 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3, and value of d is 1 multiplied by 1 whole square divided by g. Value of g is known, 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11. We can cancel these two 6.673, okay, and then we are left with, अब हमारे पास बचेगा 10 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 10 raised to the power minus 11. It is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 11. We know that when some quantity from denominator is moved up, then its power would be reversed, 10 raised to the power plus 11. So it is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 plus 11. It is equal to 10 raised to the power 8. अब हमारे पास आ गया है m स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 8. इट इज़ इक्वल टू, हम उसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 4 होल स्क्वायर, ताकि हम इन दोनों होल स्क्वायर्स को आपस में कैंसिल कर सकते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट, अब यहाँ से हमें हमारा नतीजा आ गया m इज इक्वल टू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 4. इट इज़ इक्वल टू 10,000. यूनिट लिखें kg. इट इज़ आवर आंसर. Is it not easy? Dear student, the problem number 3 is find the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Mars. The mass of the Mars is 6.42 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 kg and its radius is 3,370 kilometers. Given, let it be the Mars with radius rm and mass mm. Given that mass of the Mars is 6.42 10 raised to the power 23 kg and radius rm is equal to 3,370 kilometers. Converting it into meter, 3,370 multiplied by 1,000. In scientific notation, it would become 3.37 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 meter. We have to find the acceleration due to gravity of a body near the surface of the Mars. Let it be equal to gm. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Mars, gm is equal to question mark. We have to find it. Dear student, we know the general formula for calculating acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to G m by r square. We are again facing this big G. G is equal to gravitation constant. Its value is 6.673 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. In this case, it would become gm is equal to gm, acceleration due to gravity over Mars, it is equal to g mm is the mass of Mars divided by rm square, radius of Mars. Put values, we get g is equal to gm is equal to 6.673 10 raised to the power minus 11 multiplied by value of Mars is 6.42 10 raised to the power 23 divided by rm 3.37 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 whole square. First of all, we simplify this formula. We get separating similar terms 6.673 multiplied by 6.42 multiplied by 6 10 raised to the power 11. We are separating similar terms to simplify it. 10 raised to the power 23 divided by 3. We divide we separate this whole term into two parts. 3.37 whole square multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 whole square. It is equal to 6.673 multiplied by 6.42 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11 plus 23. We know when two similar quantities having same basis multiplied with each other, then their power would be added. So it would be 10 raised to the power minus 11 plus 23 divided by 3.37 whole square divided by 10 raised to the power 12. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12, 10 raised to the power 12. So it would become 6.673 multiplied by 6.42 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 12 divided by 3.37 whole square multiplied by 10 raised to the power 12. Both these 10 raised to the power 12 can cancel each other. We are left with 6.673 multiplied by 6.42 divided by 3.37 whole square. Now this formula, this calculation is simplified. We can solve it with the help of calculator easily, and its answer would be, its answer comes out to be GM is equal to 3.77 meter per second square. अब हम प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 सॉल्व करते हैं। यहाँ हमें बताया गया है द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ मून इज़ 1.62 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। द रेडियस ऑफ मून इज़ 1740 किलोमीटर। फाइंड द मास ऑफ मून। Let the radius of moon is Rm and its mass is mm, and the acceleration due to gravity of a body falling freely near the surface of moon is let be represented by gm. अब हमें बताया गया है gm is equal to acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon is 1.62 meter per second square, and radius of moon is given Rm is equal to 1740 kilometer. Converting it into meter, we get 1740 multiplied by 1000. It is equal to, in scientific notation, it would become 1.74 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 meters. We have to find the mass of the moon. mm is equal to question mark. We know general formula for calculating acceleration due to gravity is G is equal to G capital, which shows gravitational constant, m divided by r square. In this case, it would become gm is equal to g mm by rm square. You know, value of g is equal to 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. In this formula, gm is given, rm is given, and g is also known to we people. We have to find just mm. So we derive mm from this formula. We get m is equal to, multiply this rm with gm and divide this it with g. We get gm rm square divided by g. Let's put value. We get 1.62 multiplied by Rm. Gm is equal to 1.62, Rm is equal to 1.74 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 whole square divided by 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11. Let us simplify it and separate similar terms of 10 raised to the power. We get 1.62 multiplied by 1.74 whole square multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 whole square divided by 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11. Further simplifying it, 1.62 multiplied by 1.74 whole square multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 to the 12. At the same time, we are taking this minus 10 raised to the power 11 above the this division sign. When we take some quantity from denominator to numerator, then its power is reversed. Here its power is minus 11, above the in numerator it would become 10 raised to the power 11. We get 6.63673, and it is the most simplified form we get, and after that we would solve it with the help of calculator. 1.62 multiplied by 1.74 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 divided by 6.673. We added these two powers, 10 raised to the power 12 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 11 it is equal to 10 raised to the power 12 plus 11, it is equal to 10 raised to the power 23. We get this one. Now we can solve it with the help of calculator easily. In problem number 5, we are asked, calculate the mass of G at a distance of 3600 km above the surface of the earth. I have already drawn, let it be earth, m be the mass of earth, and r is the radius. Body is initially at a distance h, it is equal to 3600 km above the surface of the earth. We have to calculate value of G when body is allowed to fall from this much distance on the surface of the earth. Here h is equal to given 3600 km. Converting it into meter, we get 3600 multiplied by 1000 equal to, when we convert it into scientific notation, it would become equal to 3.6 10 raised to the power 6 meters. Student, normally when we calculate G, its formula is G is equal to G capital M by R square. G is gravitational constant, its value is G is equal to 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And R, it is actually distance of body from the center of the earth. In normal cases, as this distance from the surface of the earth is negligible as compared to r, so we just take radius of the r only. We ignore the distance of the body from the surface of the earth. But when the distance of the body from the surface of the earth is significant and it is large as this one, 3.6 10 raised to the power 6 meter, then we must take it to account, and G then becomes GH and R becomes, and this formula would become as G M r plus h whole square, where r is the radius and h is the distance from the surface of the earth. We know radius of the earth is r is equal to 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 meter, and mass of the earth, it is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24 kg. Put value in this formula, we would get radius acceleration due to gravity at 3600 kilometer above the surface of the earth. Put values, we get 6.673 10 raised to the power minus 11 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24 divided by r plus h. R, radius of the earth is known, 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 plus h, we 3.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 whole square. We simplify this calculation, separating similar terms. 6.673 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24 divided by 6.4 plus 3.6 whole square multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 whole square. We see 10 raised to the power 6 is present in both these terms, in added with each other. 10 raised to the power 6, 10 raised to the power 6. We take common factor of 10 raised to the power 6 out, we get this one. Okay, further simplify it, we get 6.673 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11 plus 24. When bases are the same, then powers are added with each other. In the denominator, we have 6.4 plus 3.6, which is equal to 10 whole square multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 to the 12, it is equal to 10 raised to the power 12. Our formula would become GH is equal to 6.673 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23, 10 raised to the power 13 divided by minus 7 plus 24 is equal to 13 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 12. It is equal to 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 13 divided by 10 multiplied by 6.673 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 13 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 13. These 10 raised to the power 13 can cancel each other. We get 6.673 multiplied by 6 divided by 10. We can easily solve this with the help of calculator. Our result comes out to be GH is equal to 4 meter per second square. It is the answer.